Jesus Christ. Liam, look at your sister. She's so beautiful. Yes, she is. Go get the gloves.
Yeah, because I don't want anyone to see my tattoo.
Give it to Eva. I went to Disney store. Get this up.
Disney store?
Come on, alam na. Liam.
Does Disney store have everything?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, especially toys?
Come on.
What? You said?
Put your hands right here.
I can make it out.
It's so cool. Liam is so cute. Don't do that because you're gonna be. The dinosaur is like. Wear your shoes so look the sun. Really? That's later, but you have to wear your shoes too. Okay? Mhm. Oh, you're not bringing bag today. Just bring your basket.
Mama, what?
I know. You look so funny. Okay. Let me see. Ay, Lamda! What are you doing? I'm sorry. Be careful of your dog. Let me see. I'm gonna have to tie in the dog.
Mommy, can we wear these instead? Because it makes me way more like a person.
For your body wear, you have to wear socks.